VoiceHub 2.0 also integrates with ChatGPT to kind of help the start of a project. So here's a truly natural project, and it's what you're already familiar with, where I can name the project, but we've added a description here. So I can say smart appliance as an example. So I'm going to do a smart appliance project. Then I do all the standard things here, and you'll notice that we can run this this whole thing on the ST H7 based chip, which is really cool. So large vocabulary, yet still on device and on a smaller device at that. In the past, what you would do is you would have to then kind of think through what are the intents that you want, what are the slots, and a slot is kind of a bucket or a group of words, and what are the phrases, what are people going to say? And so each time you would hit the plus, and then you'd create a new intent, and then you'd create a new slot, and you'd create new phrases. We've added this little light bulb here, which integrates to ChatGPT. So I click that, and it's going to go off of this description up here. So right now I'm looking for intents or ideas for different intents for my project. And so I could turn on the appliance, I could turn off the appliance, I could set a timer, I could adjust settings, etc. So I can add these, and it already adds those. Now I can still add my own custom ones here as well, so I can type in whatever I want. But again, I've kind of let ChatGPT kind of help me get the process going here. And then the same thing with slots. So what are some slots with a smart appliance? Again, asking ChatGPT to come up with some ideas. And so you can see I can select the appliance type. I probably don't want that one. Maybe there's settings I want to do. There's time, there's alarm, there's timer, temperature, probably, if this were an oven as an example, a scheduler or whatever. And I can also hit more suggestions, and it'll come up with yet another list as well. So again, I can add those, and those automatically get added in. Then you go down to phrases, and this is where you basically type in, things that the appliance you would want it to do. And you can build these with the slots, or you can build it just by typing in. Or again, you can reference ChatGPT in this case, and it'll come up with some different phrases of things that you might want to say to a smart appliance. And I could have said that it's a smart oven appliance and made it a little bit more specific. So again, turn on, turn off, start or stop cooking. So I can select that one, set a reminder for X, and X is going to be a time that I'm going to put in there. Check status, whatever. So I type these in. So now it gives me the kind of the jump. And now obviously I wouldn't want turn on, turn off like that. But I could do it like this, obviously. And then I could just come down here and do turn off as well. Same with start and stop cooking. And here, set a timer for X. I would want to get rid of the X. And then I could go to a timer. These are the predefined slots that we've built. And looks like there's a error there, but I can basically pull up different timers, and so I don't have to write my own grammar for it. So then when I'm done, I can now build my project. So like set a timer, so I can use this as the intent. Set a reminder for there. Turn on appliance, so I can do that there, and basically build my project. But the point is using ChatGPT to kind of help with ideas. Now the other thing we added is this Task Explorer. So if I click on this and make this a little bit bigger here. So again, I've got some topics here that are already predefined by Sensory. So smart appliances as an example. And I could say, well, I want washing machine commands. So I enter that. And then down here, you're going to see it come up with some ideas of different things that I might want to do, like the spin speed, or add a garment, or delay start, or turn the power on and off. And if I double click on one of these, it will expand that one out. So I clicked on fabric softener, and it's going to come up with other ideas based on fabric. So use enhance, add downy, add softener, soften close, whatever. So again, the point is to kind of help with the ideation process, and using the power of ChatGPT in this case to kind of put some of these things together for you and shortcut the process. This is all part of VoiceHub 2.0.